In recent years, the world of cryptocurrencies has exploded, and along with it, a new type of digital asset has emerged: meme coins. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that are typically created as a joke or parody, often featuring popular internet memes or figures. In this video, we'll delve into what meme coins are, how they work, and their place in the world of cryptocurrencies. What is a meme coin? A meme coin is a type of cryptocurrency that is designed to be a joke or parody of other, more serious cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Meme coins typically have no real-world value or use case and are created solely for entertainment purposes. These coins often feature popular internet memes or figures, and their value is primarily based on community interest and social media engagement. How do meme coins work? Meme coins are typically created on a blockchain platform like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain and can be traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, meme coins often have no fixed supply or market cap, and their value can be extremely volatile. This volatility is largely due to their reliance on social media engagement and community interest, rather than any tangible asset or use case. One of the most popular meme coins is Dogecoin, which was created in 2013 as a joke by two software engineers. Dogecoin is based on the popular internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog and has since gained a massive following and community. Other popular meme coins include Shiba Inu, which was created in 2020 as a parody of Dogecoin, and Safe Moon, which gained popularity in early 2021 due to its unique tokenomics. Should you invest in meme coins? Investing in meme coins can be highly risky, as their value is often based on hype and speculation rather than any real-world value or use case. However, for those who are interested in the world of cryptocurrencies and enjoy the entertainment value of meme coins, investing a small amount of money in these coins can be a fun and engaging experience. It's important to remember to never invest more than you can afford to lose and to always do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. While investing in meme coins can be risky, they can also be a fun and engaging way to get involved in the world of cryptocurrencies. By understanding what meme coins are, how they work, and their place in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, you can make informed decisions about whether or not to invest in these digital assets. Meme coins have both benefits and risks associated with them. The benefits of investing in meme coins include the potential for high returns if the coin gains popularity and the opportunity to be part of a large and engaged community. However, investing in meme coins also comes with significant risks. Meme coins are often based on hype and speculation, rather than any real-world value or use case, which can lead to extreme volatility in their price. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market means that investors may not have the same protections as they do when investing in traditional assets. Meme coins are a relatively new phenomenon in the world of cryptocurrencies, and their future remains uncertain. While they may continue to gain popularity and serve as a form of entertainment for investors, it is unclear whether they will ever gain widespread acceptance as a legitimate form of digital currency. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how meme coins fit into the larger ecosystem and whether they will continue to be a significant part of the market. While they may not have any real-world value or use case, they have gained significant popularity due to their association with popular internet memes and figures. Investing in meme coins can be a fun and engaging way to participate in the cryptocurrency market, but it is important to be aware of the risks involved. As with any investment, it is essential to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you are interested in investing in meme coins, there are several tips to keep in mind to help reduce your risk and maximize your potential returns. First and foremost, it is important to only invest what you can afford to lose. Meme coins are highly volatile and can experience dramatic price swings, so investing more than you can afford to lose can result in significant financial losses. Additionally, it is important to do your research before investing in any meme coin. Look for information about the coin's development team, its potential use cases, and its community. Reading white papers and other official documents can also give you a better understanding of the technology behind the coin. Another important tip is to pay attention to social media engagement and community sentiment around the coin. Meme coins are often based on community interest and hype, so monitoring social media channels like Reddit and Twitter can give you an idea of the coin's popularity and potential for growth. Finally, consider diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio beyond meme coins. While investing in meme coins can be fun and engaging, it is important to also invest in more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as other digital assets with real-world use cases. Meme coins are a unique and entertaining aspect of the cryptocurrency world, and investing in these digital assets can be a fun and engaging experience. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved and to approach investing in meme coins with caution. By doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and only investing what you can afford to lose, you can minimize your risk and potentially maximize your returns. If you got some value from this video, click the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos.